Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a requested video of what fits in my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather zip sack in the color light taupe. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this beautiful bag, I will leave a link below so you can check it out and get my first impressions as well as some mod shots. And in that video, I asked that you guys give me a thumbs up if you wanted to see what fits in my bag, and over 100 of you guys gave the video a thumbs up, so you know what to do. If you are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see just at first glance, this bag is an outside pocket lover's dream. It has two beautiful pockets in the front that are very, very easy to open and close. They have the braided zipper pulls here, and it is lined with this beautiful wine colored resin on the outside. The pockets go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. I won't say that you can put a cell phone in it, but you may be able to put a set of keys or anything, receipts or bank cards or anything that you'd like quick access to. Also, as you can see, it has this beautiful red zipper tape, which is a beautiful accent to this light taupe color. So also what is very unique about this bag, guys, is that it has buckles on the side. Look how beautiful that is. It gives the bag just another little different touch and style. Okay guys, so as you can see on the back of the bag, it has another beautiful outside pocket with the braided zipper pull. Very easy to get in and out of. And this pocket will hold a cell phone. I have the iPhone 7 and it holds it perfectly. We have the Dooney Bourke patch here on the back side. She has this beautiful gold tone matted hardware, which is another nice accent to this color. She also has an adjustable strap here where you can make it longer or shorter. She also has a center strap where you can make this bag into a crossbody. She has 4 feet on the bottom that are reinforced by the beautiful light taupe Florentine leather. And she also has this beautiful stitching that I absolutely love on any Florentine bag. And just to finish her off, to give her another nice little touch before you even get into the bag, is this beautiful tassel zipper pull. Absolutely adorable. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look on the inside of the zip sack, just to give you a general idea of her size and also some of the setup on the inside. Okay guys, so as you can see, there is nothing different about this setup. On the front wall, she has the accessory pocket here and then just a slip pocket here. She has this beautiful suede that the Florentine leather is known for. On the back wall, she has the Dooney Bourke leather patch and a zipper compartment, as well as another slip compartment here. And she also has a key keeper for your keys or any type of accessory that you would like to attach to the keeper. So very nice and roomy on the inside, as you can see. I wouldn't say that she has any more room than, say, the small Florentine satchel. So let me just share with you really quick what I plan to pack her with and to see what she holds. Okay, so first I have my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around wallet in the color light taupe. I have my Dooney Bourke on the go clear cosmetics case. my Dooney Bourke Dylan leather barrel bag in the color red, my vintage coin case in the color black, and finally my large sunglass case. So let's just see how these items fit inside of the bag. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to put in is my Dooney Bourke On The Go clear cosmetics case, and you guys have seen what I keep in here. I use this just as a catch-all. I have some hand sanitizer spray, my face powder, I have some hand lotion, I have some sweeteners, my eyeglass cleaner, and I have some wet ones, some tape. So pretty much I use this as a catch-all. So let's just take this and put this on the front wall. Here we go. As you can see, it fits nicely in there. Okay, so next I have my Dooney Bourke Dylan leather barrel bag, and this is in the color red. And I think that this is a nice accent to the red zipper tape here. So let's just take this and put it in front of the cosmetics case. And as you can see, we still have lots and lots of room on either side and also on this back wall. So next, let's put in the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around wallet in the color light taupe. So I'm just gonna put that here right in front of the barrel bag. As you can see, it fits very nicely. You guys, this bag is so spacious. So now I'm going to put in my Dooney Bourke vintage coin pouch in the color black, and I am going to stick that just in this little accessory pocket here on the front wall. Okay, so next I'm just going to put in my large sunglass case, and I am going to stick that just right there in this corner, and that is perfect. And we still have room for, let's say, a bottle of water if you keep water in your bags. So you guys, this bag holds tons. So you guys know I am one who uses the key keeper, so I am going to attach my keys, and I am going to put that in the pocket here that normally has the snap, so I always know where my keys are. And you guys, I forgot to add my Dooney Bourke little key pouch. I picked this up. This was from a sample sale that I picked up a while ago for $12. So I used this as my work badge, and I also thought that this would be perfect as a perfect complement to the red on the bag. So I always keep my work badge for easy access in this pocket, but with this bag, I think that I will be safe putting it on the outside pocket because I don't have to worry about too much of bulkiness or budge. So I think that is perfect. As you can see, there is no budging or anything for having that little coin pouch on the back pocket. So on the front pocket, I probably will keep my debit card, and I have that here for easy access, and I can zip it up and still have lots of security. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share with you really quickly what fits in my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather zip sack in the color light taupe. So in the back pocket, the only thing I have in here is my registration card, and then I also have the extender strap, and I have it just secured with one of the mesh brush covers, and I will put a link below to where you can purchase these. It just keeps your strap nice and neat. Okay guys, so here she is all packed up. She has a very nice smile, which I absolutely love. And I will put the measurements of this bag below, but it is on the larger side. I know that it is 14 inches wide and 6 inches deep. And if I'm not mistaken, it is about 10 inches in height. So it is a fairly nice size bag. So let me just do a quick comparison. After unboxing this bag, I thought the opening was going to be a little bit too small, but now that I have my items in here and I put them in with ease, I didn't have any problem at all. I think that the opening is going to be okay, but let me do a quick comparison of this opening to the opening of a small Florentine satchel, just so you can get a general idea of how wide the opening is. Okay guys, so here is just a quick comparison of the zip sack, which is the light taupe, to a small Florentine satchel. So as you can see, just at first glance, the openings seem to be pretty similar. The zip sack may be just a ½ inch or so longer than it is on the small satchel, but also keep in mind the zip sack is a lot of a larger bag. So let me just do a quick side by side just so you can see the difference. Okay, Doonieistas, so as you can see, the zip sack is probably about an inch longer. The opening is probably about an inch longer than the small satchel, because as you can see, we have it end to end here, and then on this side it is just about an inch longer. So the zip sack opening is larger than the Florentine leather small satchel opening. Here we go. I know that was a concern for a couple of people, so I just wanted to do a quick comparison of the opening size. So here they are side by side, and as you can see, the zip sack is more of a north-south bag and the small satchel is more of a east-west. And then here is just a quick side view. And then here's just another quick view so you can kind of judge the depth. So the zip sack is definitely a lot deeper than the small satchel. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. So as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke Florentine leather zip sack in any color, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.